Hello, today I will show you how to set proxy settings for the FireFox browser. I have opened the page free proxy list and there is a large list of proxy addresses for different countries available here. There are free proxy addresses here, and there is also the option to get paid addresses. Paid proxy addresses allow you to choose specific countries and have better response times. Now I will open the FireFox browser and show you how to set up proxy settings. In the FireFox browser, I will open the settings page. On the settings page, I will look for proxy settings and then open them. Next I need to specify the proxy address and port that I found on the page I showed you earlier. Once the proxy address and port are specified, you can click OK and the proxy settings are set. Next, it remains to check if they work. I will open the YouTube page and search for my YouTube channel. In YouTube settings you can see that my location is Italy. That was the proxy address location.